morning, everyone, and welcome to our morning market review for the euro dollar. Since yesterday, the euro increased against the US dollar, renewing the new highs since March 7 after the publication of unclear US CPI data. The investors are still responding to the report of the US labor market, which was published at the end of the last week. Close of yesterday afternoon session, the euro entered a correction in response to the results of the British Parliament in respect of the Brexit vote. And as expected, despite the effort of Prime Minister Theresa May in relation to the Irish borders, the Parliament rejected another agreement. Now the country is waiting for a vote to leave the EU without a contract, and if it fails, and the likelihood of this happening are extremely high on March 14, the Parliament will vote to postpone Brexit. On Wednesday, investors are waiting for January EU industrial production release and the speeches of ECB reps like um, Yves Mersch and Benoit Couillard are happening later that day. If we switch to our chart, in terms of support and resistance, we will be able to identify the meaning of all those news. On the daily chart, we can see that Bollinger bands are failing slowly, and the price range varies slightly and remains quite comfortable for the current activity level. But if we go on the 4-hour time chart, we can see that the MACD grows and it points to a moderate buy signals, while Stochastic is pointing an overbought and it is bound to rebound. In terms of support and resistance, not to mention that it is somehow better to keep the current long position in the short and or super short term, because the resistance level that we have for today on euro dollar are set at 1.1288, 1.1313, 1.1350 and 1.1370. As for support, the first line of defense, we have it at 1.1288, and it goes further down with multiple support and resistance levels. Now, for an experienced trader, all this will make sense. You can supposedly take some short or very short trades on the opposite direction, but we still are unclear, and more data it's coming later today. That's it for today. Like always, I wish you happy trading and every success. Thanks for watching and see you next time.